Hey guys, day 2 at Disney World. Here we go again. We're on our way to Animal Kingdom today. Yeah, the boys, they're being a little rowdy, didn't get enough sleep. But I hope you guys enjoy it. Hey guys, so we finally made it to Animal Kingdom. Here we are. Oh, look at Austin, he's driving the scooter. So this is a really cool feature here at Animal Kingdom. It's called the Tree of Life.
For a few moments, and it is by no means a guarantee that the animals themselves have stopped moving. So an action or a sports setting is just going to...
Right there. Here's a pancake pie. See it? Look at the water. Look at the water. See it?
And again, folks, everyone needs to remain seated at all times, even if you're in the middle of the truck in a green shirt. I can see you. Very large reptiles. A full-grown crocodile can potentially grow to 20 feet in length. Just like all crocodilians, they have really strong jaws. They have an estimated bite force of 2,000 pounds of pressure per square inch. Now that means when they latch onto something, they're not letting go. A full-grown giraffe is about 18 to 20 feet tall. So kind of start to put things out here into perspective for you. An adult giraffe is about as tall as a Nile crocodile is long.
No, we haven't ever seen that many giraffes.
Dominant male moving around a little bit farther back behind those termite mounds. He's about 100 pounds and the females are only about 30, so he's always the easiest one to identify. Full-grown elephant eats about 300 pounds of food a day. Now sometimes, just as the elephants are looking for something to eat, they will come into contact with people, and that's when things get dangerous. Not just for the humans, but also for the elephants. One of the best ways you can help protect an animal, regardless of its size, by learning everything you can about it. All flamingos will turn pink. It's from the beta carotene that is found in the food that they eat. They eat shrimp and other small invertebrates. Rhinos don't have the best eyesight in the world. They can really only see about 100 feet in front of them. Even then, it's more shapes than actual definition. So they rely a lot on their hearing and their sense of smell to figure out what's going on. Because lions are nocturnal animals. That means they are active mostly at night. But also one of the big things with lions, they're inactive about 20 hours out of the day. They spend most of their time resting and conserving their energy for when they go out on the hunt, potential threats to the pride.
What was your favorite animal,
We'll
Austin?
take here for just a moment or two. We're going to see which boarding post.
Austin, what was your favorite animal?
We're going to see who moves. We're just getting...
Take it from an ant. It's tough to be a bug. That's why we've developed some amazing survival techniques. Our next guest is a soldier termite who defends his mound by spraying intruders with acid. That's right, acid. Welcome him now. He's buff, he's ready, and he's ruining our set. You know, we have other shows to do.
I am a lean defensive machine. I am the Terminator.
You couldn't hurt a flea!
Oh no. I detect more intruders.
No, they're not intruders. No, they're honorary bugs.
No. Intruders must be terminated. No exceptions. I need more ammo. I'll be back.
Flick. What are these humans wearing on their heads?
Oh, I made them honorary bugs.
Honorary what? They're our biggest enemy.
No, that's not true. They're my friends.
Friends? Get this loser out of my sight.
Hey!
Bring in the evidence. Friends don't exterminate friends, do they? Still don't get it? Well then watch this. You humans have always seen us as monsters. If you had it your way, you would destroy us all. But you never will, because we outnumber you 200 million Maybe it's time you honorary bums got a taste of your own medicine! What? You're still alive? This means war!
Hey, what'd y'all think of the bug show?
It was pretty cool, but I would have known that was crawling around after the
Oh, on your seat?
Yeah.
Yeah, that was pretty cool, huh?
Yeah.
How about a big thumbs up, guys? All right. So here Aiden and I are riding Expedition Everest. Well, what'd you think, Aiden? That was awesome, wasn't it?
Donald Jr.
That's the ones you want?
Please report to the Crocodile Donald Jr. 47.
Ashton, you getting pink for breast cancer awareness?
Or these.
You gonna wear them in baseball?
Yeah, these are so.
Mom will end up taking them.
But Aiden won.
Aiden, what do you want?
Rainforest Cafe would like to welcome
What?
Safari 2. Please be report to the Crocodile Jr.
A pink monkey.
Dawn Safari 2.
Austin, what are you gonna get to drink? You ain't old enough for a pina colada, boy. We're gonna find out. Oh, Ashman, what you get? All right. Y'all better get your IDs out. Aiden, what about you?
What type of rum would you like in it? Whoa! Yes!
Hey guys, so we just got back from Animal Kingdom. We headed back to the resort, and instead of doing anything additional tonight, we just decided to chill out by the pool. So we're gonna have a little jump-in competition, and Austin's gonna go first. So Austin, let's see what you can get out of a 1 out of 10. That was a pretty good belly buster for a kid that can barely swim. I'm gonna have to give that a 7 out of 10. All right, Aiden. A 9. Okay, we'll give it an 8. We'll meet in the middle. So he holds the record right now with 8. Aiden, you're up.
Aiden don't do what he did.
He's getting a running start.
Oh, he did a flip.
That was a flip. That was pretty good. I'm gonna say we got a tie right now. 2 8s out of 10.
Now I'm gonna do a hot dog.
Uh-oh. Big dog's turn.
Dog in a 6 foot.
Ashton?
Okay, I'm about to do a hot dog.
Don't dive in a 6 foot. It can break your neck.
I'm gonna dive in.
I think we got a 3-way tie. 3 8s out of 10s, guys. All right, guys, so what we have here is they're gonna be diving in on this side of the pool, and the first one to reach this side of the pool wins. All right, guys, on your mark, get set, go. Ashton takes first. Aiden takes second. And Austin takes third. Thus you have it, Ash Ados. So baby, how was your day today at Animal Kingdom?
Great.
What was your favorite thing?
The margarita.
The margarita. And there you have it. Hey guys, we just made it back to the room from the swimming pool. Boys are wore out, so are Lisa and I. Hey, hope you guys had fun on day 2 at Disney with us. Anyway, we're about to call it a night. Look forward to seeing you guys again tomorrow. There's Mr. Aiden still awake. I think Austin's still awake. Mama Bear, she's over there acting like she's asleep, but no, she's not. And there's Mr. Ashton, big dog.
Hey guys, and remember, do it differently.